Welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to get your standard wiki pass. So simply what you need to do, just open the wiki app from Google Play Store, and after this just download it. And now what you need to do, just create an account, or you can log in through your Google account. So now simply click on create account, and now here you can sign up through Google, Facebook and email. So you can use all these options, but we will click on continue with Google. Also update your account. So here you can see all the shows are available. So now on the right top corner you can see get wiki pass. Click here. So here you can see the price, annual and monthly. Just click here. Now simply click on start free trial and add your payment method. So in this way you can get your standard wiki pass.